Most people think watch collecting is all about expensive brands. But real collectors know the most exciting part happens before you buy anything. It's that moment when you spot one watch among hundreds of others, and suddenly your mind starts asking questions. Is it rare? Is it fake? An underrated hidden gem? Or just a watch nobody wants? Sometimes the answer costs a few dollars. Sometimes it costs a few hundred. But there's only one way to find out. Take the risk. On this channel, we'll be hunting for the most interesting watches at flea markets. From forgotten Soviet watches to rare Swiss pieces. From $1 finds to watches that surprise even experienced collectors. And the best part? Until the very end, nobody knows how the story will end. The weather isn't exactly on our side today. Dark clouds everywhere. Looks like rain is coming. There aren't many sellers at the market. Not many buyers either. But honestly, sometimes those are the best days to go treasure hunting. Because most people stay home. And that means we have a better chance of finding something before everyone else does. Maybe today we'll turn a few dollars into 5 times our money. Maybe 10 times. Or maybe we'll leave empty-handed. That's the risk. So let's find out. The first watch of the day shows up almost immediately. A gold-toned Seiko quartz. Just $10. And right away, I want to ask you, would you buy it for 10 bucks? Or leave it behind? Let me know in the comments. Let's keep going. Next up is an Orient with a beautiful light blue dial. Honestly, sometimes the dial is what makes a watch special. You can service the movement. You can replace the crystal. You can polish the case. But finding a dial like this isn't always easy. Would you wear it? Let's move on. And now we're getting into dangerous territory. A junk box. Every collector knows what that means. Because sometimes the best finds are hiding where nobody wants to look. Digging through the pile, I found an Orient Rolex-style case. It's rough. Definitely needs work. But I think it has potential. What do you think? Can it be restored? Or is it too far gone? Right next to it, I spotted an Orient bracelet, but only half of it. Sometimes flea markets feel like a treasure hunt where you only find half the clues. So we move on. The weather kept many sellers away today. That means fewer watches, fewer opportunities, and more pressure to find something good. Then I spotted one of the strangest watches I've seen in a while. Honestly, I've never seen one like it before. There's a 99% chance it's a fake. But it's such an interesting fake that I couldn't ignore it. $5 for parts. Would you have bought it? Next find. A lady's Orient with a broken bracelet. $5. Do you repair the bracelet or replace it completely? Then comes the first real gamble of the day. A vintage Tissot Apollo. Very cool model. But there's one problem. No battery. Which means nobody knows if it actually works. This is what makes flea markets addictive. $20. One decision. One risk. What do you think? Will it run or not? Leave your prediction below. Let's see who gets it right. Moving on. A swatch. Plastic case. 50 cents. Sometimes the price is so low that it's harder not to buy it. Next up, a Casio with a Rolex-style design. And yes, there are people who love these. After restoration, it could look pretty good. But would you actually wear it? Or is it trying too hard to be a Rolex? So far, nothing truly crazy. But flea markets love surprising you when you least expect it. Then I found a vintage Casio edifice, probably from the 90s. Interesting watch, $15. Worth it or not? Now let me show you what flea market treasure hunting really looks like. When I say people dig through junk, I'm serious. Look at this. A guy spends the week collecting random stuff, then dumps it all onto the market, and people start digging. Personally, I prefer sellers who display everything neatly. But sometimes the best treasures come from the biggest messes. Let's keep going. Here's an old Stoa, Swiss, vintage. Some gold plating left, $15. But I passed. There might be radium on the dial, and that's not something I like taking chances with. Would you have bought it? Next, some vintage Orient watches, except they're really cheap Chinese copies from the early 2000s. The market is full of them, but the real finds are still out there. Then I spotted an Orient 3-star with a black dial, $12. Honestly, a pretty solid buy. What do you think? A little later, I found a Citizen in great condition. But here's the problem. The seller wanted $45. Too expensive? Or a bargain? Tell me what you think, because I'm seriously considering going back for it. Then I found another Orient, this one with an incredible dark blue sunburst dial. Now we're talking. Replace the crown, do a little work, and it could look amazing. Only $15. How do you like that dial? One of the best finds today? We keep going. Lots of Soviet watches, but these days I'm much more selective. I used to buy almost everything. Now I only buy the ones that really stand out. Then I found a quartz looch, $1. Hard to go wrong with that. As we walk further, there's everything here. Paintings, dishes, jewelry. You can find almost anything at a flea market. I just wish the weather had been better. There would have been twice as many sellers, and probably twice as many finds. But the hunt continues. Next purchase, a Citizen Eco Drive. Very good condition, $17. Honestly, one of my favorite finds of the day. What do you think? And once again, one of the best places to find watches is among piles of clothes. People just throw them on top of old shirts and jackets. That's where I found another Orient 3-star, $12. Needs a new crystal, needs polishing, but the potential is definitely there. And finally, the last find of the day, a Citizen Quartz Avanti, working. Only $5. Yes, the chrome on the back is badly worn, but I love projects like this because the transformation can be amazing. Now take a look at everything we found today. Which watch was your favorite? Which one would you buy? And which one would you leave behind? Make sure to tell me in the comments. I read every single one. And don't forget about the giveaway. On June 8th, I'll announce the winners, and there might be more than 2 prizes this time. But remember, it's not about leaving the most comments. It's about leaving the most interesting comments. So comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next treasure hunt.